Hey guys, it's Yvette and welcome to day 21 of VLOGMAS. So today is Tuesday, December 21st, and I am making this video kind of late at night. And it's fine. It's just that I was like this close to changing into my PJs, and then I was like, I haven't made my video yet. So today I am going to be opening my advent calendars for the day, and I'm also going to share with you my project Sweetwater, which I just received. It was either yesterday or today. You'd think I would remember something if it happened today, but honestly, I don't. So I'm gonna hurry up, and I'm making this video so that I can go and put on my pajamas, which is going to include my big fleece hoodie, full body thing. It's all fleece, and I am freezing right now. Okay, so let's get it going. The first thing I'm going to open, of course, is my cotton cuts. So let's get that open. This is their Rosa's Holiday Your Way box, and I get a fat quarter every day, along with a little, like, quote, an inspirational quote. Okay, so here is the little bag for the 21st. Let's see what we got. Okay, the quote is, "Don't look back. You're not going that way." Like, don't look that way. Look that way. That's a great one. Oh, this is a cute fabric, and I have no idea what this is from. Look how cute that is. That is so adorable. And hold on, I'm always checking for selvage. Oh, okay. It's by Denise Schmidt, and it says ding dong, and then it also says what I think is 5 plus 10, or maybe it's 5 and 10. I'm going to kind of show it to you, and you can see how it looks. So I am not sure if that's it. It's definitely Denise Schmidt. So we could go and look her up and maybe find that whole collection or something. But this is super cute. I just like it. It's a nice little blender. Okay, so that's what we got from Cotton Cuts. And I'm going to move on to, oops, I almost couldn't pick it up. The Allison Glass, and this is an advent calendar, and it is a sticker advent calendar. So I'm looking for the 21st, and oh, here it is over on this side. And let's see. Oh, look how cute! It's like it's a little flower. Oh, I'm loving that. That is adorable. Oh my goodness, I really like that one. Okay. And then we have the Crimson Tate Countdown to Fun box. So let's see what I got for the 21st. And it's right on top. Now the little packages are rolling all over the place now because there's so much room and just a few more left, you know. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, so we got yet another one of these guys. And this must also be from Anna Maria Horner. And it looks like it's Bright Eyes again. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Like, isn't that gorgeous? Look at this. Look on this side. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold up. All right, so I don't have any selvage, but it's gotta be. I mean, it has to be because it's gorgeous. Oh, and here's the solid that goes with. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Okay. Oh my gosh. I think am I folding this wrong? I don't think so. Okay, I'll mess with it whenever I'm not on camera. All right, let's put this down till tomorrow. Okay, so as I was saying, either yesterday or today, I received this box, Project Sweetwater. It's a little bitty one. So let's see what's inside. I'm stoked. I'm all excited. I don't remember. I mean, I think it might be timber that we were getting in this box. So let's check it out. Oh, I always forget that they tape the sides too. Okay, no problemo. I just forget. Okay. Alrighty. That's what it looks like inside when you pop it open. Okay. Ooh. Okay, yes, I was correct. Welcome to Timber. Our featured project is an adorable tote bag. Oh, all the fabric needed to make the bag is included in the exclusive Project Sweetwater panel, the outside lining, pocket, and straps. Also included on the panel are 2 large square blocks, perfect for a table mat and pillow. Make sure to notice the patchwork back of the pillow. It's just as pretty as the front. I love when they do that. Okay, so inside there is a timber panel. There's a timber charm pack, a timber label, a pattern pack, and a sweet treat. I've had dinner. Okay. And then Project Sweetwater subscribers take 15% off your order, and they give us a code. That offer expires January 5th. And then it says for the next box, which I'm super stoked about because, first of all, any holiday, y'all know me, any holiday. And I love Valentine's Day because I love hearts. You can heart me everything. I'm right on board. So, it says we are excited to announce that our next box will include fabric from our new Flirt collection. We continue to experience fabric delays related to COVID, but we expect to ship the box in March. No problem. Whenever they send it, they send it. I'm not fussed about that. So here we go. Here is the timber charm pack that is inside, and I will show you the fabrics that are in there. See, and usually like most of their fabrics are not duplicated, so with 42 pieces in here you'll get 42 different ones. Sometimes there are exceptions, so we'll see, but usually like that one, it looks like that one's a duplicate, but that's a cute one, so I'm really happy about that. But most of them will be unique. Look how cute that is. It's like they went camping. I love it. Oh, good. Why the ones I love with their duplicating? I'm so excited about that. Oh my goodness. Look, now it's in that one. And bada bing! Oh, I'm so excited. Love when a plan comes together. I love their ginghams too. Oh, so cute. I love those X. I really like this collection. I really do. Oh, good. We got a couple of those. My nose itches, y'all. Oh, it's upside down, but you get the picture. We got 2 like that. I'm so glad we got those duplicated. And it's all pretty typical Sweetwater. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that. Is that not the most adorable little thing you ever saw? Oh my goodness, with the little fish. 2 with the words. Look, the fish again. I'm going to have to get me some more of that fish somewhere. Maybe Sweetwater. I don't know if they sell their own fabric. I don't know why. I've never really looked. I've always gone and I have bought kits from them, and I, of course, buy their labels. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. So cute. And it's the last one. There it is. Okay, so overall it's a cute little line. And I like that it can be appreciated by girls and boys. That's how I feel about that one. I think it's really cute. Okay, and here's our little sweet treat. Looks like it's Lifesavers. So it's not something I can eat real quick while y'all watch. Because this is something you kind of eat slowly. Awesome. Okay. And okay, so here, here's the label. Let me show you that first. Oh my goodness. I love it. It says, Little House, Big Heart. And then this one says Happy Camper. That one says Handmade. And Made with Love. I love those. Okay. And then there is the pattern. All the patterns. So we have the one for the tote bag. Right there. And then there is the one for the pillows, patchwork pillows. And this is how she said the back is really cute too. So that's true. God, the itchy nose thing. I wish I had allergies because that would totally explain it. But I don't. Anyway, timber table mat. That's super cute. Okay, so those are the patterns. And now I'm going to share with you the panel. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Put that over there. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I love this. Their panels are so cute. Okay, so you get all of this on the panel, right? So you've got, there's the, what did they say they were doing in that Forest Park? It was either a pillow or something for the table. I don't remember. But you could do whatever you want with them. I mean, you know, I love that. That could totally be like a front back of a pillow if you wanted to. These are the straps. Actually, did they say that that was part of the... One Sweetwater timber panel. Okay, well, we're still getting to it. So these are the straps up here. And then there's a couple of little patches that you would put on the front of the bag. And then here is one big panel with all of those like patches on it. And I think this whole part is like the back. And then if you remember, this was the part that was in the front, right? Or like this, maybe this is the inside and that's the, I don't know. I haven't like detail looked at the pattern, but it's yeah. Maybe it's two back. It's almost, I don't know, heck. All I know is I love it. I think this is like super cute. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy to have this. I think it's super, super cute. And hopefully someday I'll actually be able to make it. That would be amazeballs. Okay, so that's the Project Sweetwater that we got December, obviously, because I either got it yesterday or today. And don't forget that on yesterday's video, I do have a giveaway that's going on, and I will be announcing those winners tomorrow in tomorrow's video. So be sure to watch for that. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and maybe ring the bell so you know every time I have a new video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching my videos every day. I just love you guys and appreciate you very much. Good night. Mwah.